Yes, students, today we will discuss about partition values. Now, what is a partition value? It is that value which divides the series into more than two parts. ऐसी वैल्यू जो एक सीरीज़ को दो से ज़्यादा पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करे उसको हम पार्टीशन वैल्यू बोलते हैं. In partition values, first comes to be quartile, which divides the series into 4 equal parts. Quartile एक स्टैटिस्टिकल सीरीज को 4 equal parts में डिवाइड करता है. There are 3 parts of quartile, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1 is said to be lower quartile and Q1 covers 25% items of the series. 25% means 1/4. Then next Q2, it is also said to be median, which covers 50% of the items of the series. That means it divides the statistical series into 2 parts, 1/2. Then next is Q3, it is also said to be upper quartile. It covers 75% of the items of the series. 75% means 3/4. Then next partition value is deciles. Deciles divides a statistical series into 10 equal parts, which ranges from D1 to D9. And next come to be percentiles. Percentiles divides a statistical series into 100 equal parts and value of percentile ranges from P1 to P99. Now we will see numerically how these values are calculated. First of all, we will discuss how these partition values are calculated in case of individual series. Individual series means single columnar series. So, we are having a question here, individual series. Values are given here 120, 107, 170 and so on. First step in individual series while calculating partition value is arrange the data in ascending order. So, we have arranged the data, this data in the ascending order. There are total 10 items in a series. So, we have make here serial number 1 to 10, then lowest item is 120, 150 higher than 120, 170 higher than 150 and so on. इस तरह से हमने डाटा को ascending order में arrange कर लिया. Now, what is the formula of Q1? Q1 covers 25% of the items. That's why the formula is size of n plus 1 by 4th item. That means 1/4, 25%. Here n is 10 in this question. Now put the value here, size of 10 plus 1 by 4. It comes to be 2.75. Now split these two items, size of second plus 0.75 into size of third item minus size of second item. When we get value here in points like 2.75, तो उसको हमने इस तरह से सेपरेट करना है, साइज ऑफ सेकंड आइटम प्लस 0.75, ये 0.75. नेक्स्ट हम सेकंड से नेक्स्ट वाला साइज लेंगे, साइज ऑफ थर्ड minus size of second item. Now what is size of second item? See here, size of second item is 150 and size of third is 170. By putting the value here, size of second is 150 plus 0.75 upon 100 into size of third is 170 minus size of second. 0.75 by 100 means 3/4. Then 170 minus 150 by calculating we get the value here 165. This is the value of first quartile, that is Q1. Now if in the question it is asked to calculate Q2. Now Q2 is equal to median, same formula we have discussed earlier also, median. What is the formula of median? Size of n plus 1 by 2. Now putting value here, size of 10 plus 1 by 2, it comes to be 11 by 2, 5.5. Now there are two methods to deal with if answer comes to be 5.5. You can take average or you can do this way also, size of fifth item plus 0.5, अगेन हमने इसको स्प्लिट कर लिया टू पार्ट्स में 0.5, देन साइज ऑफ फिफ्थ से नेक्स्ट आइटम कौन सी होगी, सिक्स, size of sixth item minus size of fifth item. Now what is size of fifth item? Size of fifth is 181 and sixth is 187. Now putting the value here, size of fifth is 181 plus 0.5, sixth का size है 187 minus 181. Now calculating this, we arrive at 181.30 by 181 plus 30 by 10 comes to be 184, or we can take average of these items, size of fifth item plus size of sixth item divided by 2. It comes to be 181 plus 187 upon 2, 184. So both way answer will be same. So it comes to we arrive at the value of Q2 here. Next, how to calculate Q3? Formula of Q3 in individual series is size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4. Notice one thing, in case of quartiles you have to divide by 4. Then size of 3 into 10 plus 1 by 4, it comes to be 3 into 11 by 4, 8.25th item. Again split in two parts, size of 8th item plus 0.25, 8 से next size क्या होगा, 9th, so size of 9th item minus size of 8th item. Now we will see 8th, we need size of 8th and 9th item. 8th item size is 192 and 9th item size is 200. Now putting the values in the formula, size of 8th 192 plus 0.25 means 1/4 and 9th का size है क्वेश्चन में 200 minus size of 8th is 192. Now by calculating we arrive the value comes to be 194. The next partition value is D9. Formula of D9, size of, because here 9 is written, so it will be size of 9 into 9 plus 1 by 10, as deciles divide the series into 10 equal parts. So decile की कोई भी वैल्यू हो यहाँ पे हमने डिवाइड बाई 10 करना है. सपोज D6 is given, तो formula will be 6 into n plus 1 by 10. If we have to calculate D4, then formula will be 4 into n plus 1 by 10. So up to 9 we can calculate. Now by putting the value, we know n is 10 in this series. Size of 9 into 10 plus 1 by 10, answer comes to be 9.9th item. Now split the values, size of 9th item plus 0.9 into size of 10th item minus size of 9th item. Now what is size of 9th item? Let's see, size of 9th item is 200 and we also need size of 10th item is 210. Now put the value here, size of 9th is 200 plus 0.9 into size of 10th is 210 minus 200. Now by calculating 200 plus, this is 9 by 10 into 10, answer comes to be 209. This is answer of D9. Next value to calculate here is P70. Again percentile divides the series into 100 equal parts. So n plus 1 will be divided by 100 into 70. If suppose we have to calculate P60, then here it will come to be 60. Then P30, then here it will come to be 30. Then size of 70 into n plus 1 by 100th item. Now putting the value, it comes to be size of 70 into 10 plus 1 by 100, size of 70 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 100, it is 770 upon 100. So value comes to be 7.7th item. Again same way, size of 7th item plus 0.7 into size of next item. Next कौन सी है, 8th minus size of 7th item. Now we need value of both 7th item and 8th item. Let's see what's the value. 7th and 8th item, 7th की वैल्यू है 190 and 8th की वैल्यू है 190. Now putting both these values, size of 7th 190 plus 0.7, size of 8th is 190 minus 190. Now by calculating we arrive at this value 190 plus 14 by 10. 14 by 10 means 1.4 and value comes to be 191.4. Answer of P is 70 is 191.4. Now by after calculating these values, here are different formulas. The next formula is interquartile range. Interquartile range is also said to be IQR and the formula is Q3 minus Q1. So in this question Q3 comes to be 194 and Q1 comes to be 165. It's very simple to calculate. By deducting Q1 from Q3, we will get interquartile range. The next is quartile deviation. In short form, we can also say it as QD. QD is interquartile range divided by 2. Interquartile range का फॉर्मूला है Q3 माइनस Q1 डिवाइड बाई 2. Q3 की वैल्यू हमने फिल कर ली यहाँ पे 194, Q1 की वैल्यू है 165. बाय डिडक्टिंग Q1 from Q3 and dividing by 2 comes to be 29/2. Answer comes to be 14.5. Then next is coefficient of quartile deviation. Formula is Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. One time deducting and one time adding. So it comes to be 194 minus 165 upon 194 plus 165 is equal to 29 upon 359. Answer comes to be 0.080. So by calculating values of Q1 and Q3, we can also calculate all these values.